hammer.
To the little boys.
Huh? There you go.
You ready to shoot?
Yep.
Let me get out of your way.
That thing's cool.
When I bought mine could come
Doing
get it with
again?
7 1/4. But the auto review said that 7 1/4 didn't get you anything but some more nose weight on the gun. It said they make it right.
So that's 7 1/4, isn't it?
Yeah, so yeah.
It's a long barrel, I can tell you that. But it's not much better than a what? What's the other option? 5 or something?
Mine
I
is
never noticed it.
5.
That's pretty long.
Yeah. How you been?
Pretty good. Staying busy considering I'm retired.
Maybe it's because your hands are bigger.
Busier than I want to be.
Yeah.
Like it didn't hit mine.
You doing
Consulting work.
That's what I say. You doing some consulting?
A little bit. I'm limited in how much I can make because I'm taking Social Security early. But I'm now on the board of directors for the Homeowner Association. That's a real shit show.
It's hard to say. That doesn't sound like a fun job. I feel like I'm holding a damn cannon.
Huh?
I feel like I'm holding a cannon, even though
It's so. I mean, it is.
it's really cool looking. Kind of bummed I didn't hit that.
They hit it that time,
I
didn't
heard it. Yeah.
Serious barrel right there, Donnie. Get you a red dot on there?
Yeah. Right now I'm trying to figure out which one. 6 or 8. I figure I ain't got to spend a lot.
Did you try my buck mark
think
after I
it-
put the red dot on there?
You had to
Try
twice, I
that.
think.
It's never been shot that far.
It's hollow. On this one. Yeah.
Thought about a hole, son.
Hang it in there. I'll get you one of those.
Tell you what, you need to take that fiber optic off of that. Too nice of sight. Can you see it through the sight?
I don't really notice it.
No.
I mean, I guess you can, but I don't know.
Yeah, you like it?
I love it.
Good.
You're a hammer fire guy, aren't you?
Yes.
I like hammer fire too.
Let's see, have you shot this one yet? Have you shot this yet?
I have not.
I will load it up.
Give it. We'll give that one a ride.
Come on.
That's a 9mm. It's the gun that was used in the military up until like 4 years ago.
It's what Larry Llewellyn carried.
So to
You posting this on YouTube, Donnie?
put it in Brandon's chamber do.
Should be about 3 or 4 different
Okay, now it's
videos.
loaded. I'm gonna
I think the
close it
camera's
like
probably
that.
dead
One of the things
now.
I like about this gun is you just carry it ready to pull the trigger, and the first trigger pull is really hard. So it's sort of like
No?
built-in safety.
Yeah.